I'm gonna record this. Holy shit!
Not even dripping into my drain pan, dude. It's just sitting on the
Say
top.
hi for the camera. Holy crap! Man,
you gotta see if you can send me that video.
this one?
Yeah.
I'll try
those
to.
pictures, one of the two.
Holy shit!
Take some pictures and send them to me.
I will. Oh, look at it dripping. Golly. Yeah, I think he's got some internal issues going on. And I'm almost convinced they were into this thing. Ask him if you can. Just throw him a quick text.
It must have been because it's got silicone instead of a gasket.
Yeah, they were
Battery
into
comes
this
with
thing.
a gasket.
I don't know how to turn on my flashlight. I should have my flashlight on. Anyhow. Holy shit, that thing is bad. Alright.